I chose Xtrands because after meeting with the image consultant, we went over the different options and it just kind of felt like it was the best one for me. My Xtrands experience was great. Everybody made me feel really comfortable. I came in, they explained to me what was going to be happening and how they were going to do it. Very, very relaxing. I just kind of kicked back while they did it. My hair looks great. I'm really, really pleased with it. Like I said, would give you two completely different impressions before, and now, no matter which way you're looking at my head, you see the same thing. You know, it's helped a lot. I kind of walk out with a little bit bigger of a smile, just kind of knowing that. The first moment that I saw the Xtrands in my hair, I was absolutely floored. I didn't expect it. And I mean, you sit there for a little while and you feel what's going on, but you don't really get the full understanding of it until they back up and they hold that mirror in your face and you're like, wow, that used to be a bald spot, where'd it go? So I walked in with thinning hair. I walked out with no spot on the back of my head. Overall, just an overall sense of confidence that I've never felt before. The experience getting home was even better. I didn't expect it to be as easy to maintain as it is. It was basically just like my life continued on, but I have hair now.